All right, now we've got this, I believe it's a late 80s 4Runner coming through here. Oh, so close, so close. You got it, you got it. Nice. That was the double transfer case he has, that all the torque in the world.
Right.
Hey Wyatt, let's get a weather report for today.
Man, it's a beautiful Saturday. We have, I would say 100% overcast. Looking at 66 degrees today is a high. Probably about a 10 to 15 mile an hour easterly wind. It's just a great day for wheeling, man. I'm excited about all the variety of rigs we have out.
Right on.
Actually going to try the stairs as well. Yeah, let's see how the approach angle looks. Everybody so far has had to hit it at an angle. Oh, he's got it, he's got it. Nice. Jeez, that's some serious vertical angle. Gonna have to goose it. Momentum, right? We gotta get some momentum to carry him up and over. Yep. Right, yeah, you kinda just gotta bury the pedal at this point. But I don't know if that Toyota has the guts to do it.
He's in low range right now.
Right. And he's got dual transfer cases, so low range is really slow, yeah. I don't think it's gonna happen without the momentum.
Yeah, he's a wheel speed.
Right. Yeah. So close. All right, Ryan, is that his gas tank hitting right there? Should we back it off?
Oh, he's got a skid plate on it.
It's definitely taking a little bit of a beating.
You can try and get it at a little more of an angle so that first back tire starts climbing up.
Okay, that'd be a good tactic. Yep, that looks good. All right. Man, you made a hell of an obstacle, Ryan.
Hey, a little XJ on 33s cruise right on over there. I feel like how I made it before, you know, once that got knocked down, everyone was making it over easy. I figured to have something to...
Yep.
Hey, look. Fucking shooter block.
Hey, have him hold. All right, see if that makes any difference. Yeah, I'm concerned about that. I think we need to probably call it. I keep watching that block move back and forth. I'm just waiting until it falls. Yeah, Ryan, watch out for that top concrete block. Make sure it doesn't start falling towards you.
I'm surprised it's held in there long.
I know, yeah, it's getting ready to give up the ghost. Oh, all right. So close.
Fuel tank keeps getting fucking messed up.
Yeah.
It sucks that a fuel tank hangs down like that. If they
Right.
had a full skid on it, or
As soon as that top block falls, he's got it. Oh, nah.
Hey, he's beating the hell out of his fuel tank on this side.
Yeah, we should probably call it. Let me go tell him. Yeah, that would be the other thing you could try. Nice. Cody, hold for a sec. I want you to come look at your gas tank. Let me show you where your gas tank skid is getting beat up.
A little like bar coming like right here to kind of.
Is that a roasted plate or factory? It doesn't look super beefy.
See,
He had something just like connected right there on flat.
yeah, right on the gas tank.
Yeah, I'll put that gas tank up in the inside and get it out of the way so you got more activity.
Yeah, no, that was good. Great effort. That Toyota doesn't sound like it's running just right.
No, he was having trouble getting out of this little pit over there.
Okay, so it might be an alternator issue. Sounds like we're going to be looking under the hood of that Toyota, figuring out why it's limping around the property. I don't know if you guys can hear that on camera, but it's romp, 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 romp. Real rough idle. Here, I'll try and get closer so you guys can hear it. She's doing great.
Dig it out.
Yep. Oh man, that thing's cool. All right, back to showing you guys the Toyota that's running rough. Here comes the Dodge that I'd like to see more of.
That was a long ass drive from there to there.
What's up with it, Cody?
I think it distributed out wet.
Oh, all right, all right. That'll do it. So she just needs to dry out? Okay. What motor is this?
That's the 22 RE.
Okay, the 4-cylinder?
Yeah.
Naturally aspirated?
Yeah.
Okay, so how much power?
It's like
150 to 200?
like 100 horsepower.
All right, yep. Oh, I see we got the coils seated. And of course that's no problem at all for the 44 Bulgars. In two-wheel drive. Jeez. That's a cool truck.
Alright, it must be deeper now.
Yeah, a little bit. All right, Cody and Chris are still over there working on the Toyota, trying to see if they can do anything to assess that rough idle. Looks like Cody has a can of spray in his hand. I don't know if that's electrical parts cleaner or what he's got. Probably is, just trying to get some of the mud off of all the sensitive components. Here comes the Dodge again. Let's see if we can get a better shot this time around. He just puts them through in two-wheel drive. Okay, Chevy's getting a little bit of speed. I hear another V8 starting up on the property. I'm gonna guess it's Orange Mega, Ryan's Mega truck, but we'll find out when it comes around the corner. Yep, here comes Orange Mega. Okay, all right. Goodness, that thing is crazy. We knew Ryan wasn't going to be showed up by a couple guys on, big old super swampers. All right, I've got the 4Runner over here. We're going to see if he can do this hill climb. The issue, if there is one, is going to be approach angle. So I'm going to get down here at the base of the hill, and we're going to watch to see how much of his bumper would make contact. So just approach it slowly. Yeah, you want to be at 4 low. If you got lockers, you want them on. Let's see, let me look at your departure angle too. Okay, you got a hitch back there. That can go in the dirt. That won't be a problem. All right, just keep it slow and I'll let you know how we're looking. All right, front bumper's scraping right now, but I think it's just gonna be a little scraping in the dirt. You wanna put it in park or in neutral and hop out and take a look? Yeah, it's just gonna slide right into the hill, so. But yeah, so the bumper's the part that's touching the dirt. So I don't know if you wanna push, if you wanna try and power through that.
I'll put it up there as soon as it does.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, you got that nice steel bumper, you might as well use it.
I'm just worried about the plastic bumper.
Nice. Oh, you got it.
So how do I just keep going up?
Yeah, just slow and steady, up and over. Just ride your brakes on the way down. She got it. Oh, your rear hitch. All right, so the rear hitch is now digging into the dirt. Yeah, that'll work. All right. Well, and either you'd have to have a little more speed and you'd carry your rear hitch through the dirt, or you can just say not today. You got it. Yeah, it's that rear hitch. Now, I don't know if reverse, okay. Yeah. I mean, eventually you'll clear out enough dirt. Is he? Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, I don't think you quite have the angles for it. That was a nice attempt, though.
All right, he's just gonna let it crawl up. Might need to give it some juice. Yeah, that looked pretty sweet.